Hello dear students, welcome to final accounts. Today we'll work out fourth problem. So 3 problems already over, you have learned the adjustments also. Now you must be at least 80% thorough. So today's problem we are going to see new adjustment. That new adjustments, if you know it, final accounts you'll be thorough. So before going to that, let me explain first what is this problem. Trial balance we'll see, then adjustments we'll see, then after that we'll work out the problem. Trial balance, as you know, only one time it comes, either in the trading account, profit and loss account or balance sheet. So what is there in the trial balance? You see purchases and sales. Purchases are 2,75,200, sales are 5,20,300. Purchases debit side of trading account, sales credit side of trading account. Returns, this is sales returns 15,100. Quite opposite it will be. Sales credit, sales returns debit. Purchases debit, purchase returns credit. So this returns we are going to deduct it. Next, carriage outwards. Carriage outwards is indirect expenses. So P&L account debit side. If it is a carriage or carriage inwards, then it would have been taken as a direct expenses into the trading account. Next, wages and salaries. See what is given, wages and salaries. So it is a direct expenses. If they are giving salaries and wages, then it would have been indirect expenses. What is there in the first? Wages. So direct expenses. Discount, indirect expenses. Rent, credit side it is given. So income, P&L account credit side. Insurance, legal fee, these two are indirect expenses, P&L account debit side. Debtors 1,10,000 asset. Creditors 62,100 liability. Bills receivable 3,300 asset, and bills payable 2,200 liability. Printing and stationery, indirect expenses, P&L account. Commission credit side it is given, so P&L account credit side will write its income. Opening stock, anyway you know, trading account first item. Cash in hand, cash at bank, balance sheet assets, first items. Bank loan, balance sheet liability. Interest on loan, debit side of P&L account. And capital is balance sheet liability. Drawings, this is to be deducted from the capital minus drawings. Next, fixed assets, balance sheet asset. So this is clear. Now coming to the adjustments. First one is closing stock. 2 times it appears, one time trading account credit side, second time balance sheet asset. Depreciation, loss, P&L account debit side will show, and balance sheet deduct from the fixed assets. Third one, interest on bank loan. Very careful you need to be. Interest, bank loan is 20,000. Bank loan is 20,000. Out of this 10% they are saying. 10% it comes to 2,000. Bank loan, interest on bank loan is 2,000. But how much we have paid? 1,500 paid. Out of 2,000, 1,500 paid. Please be careful. It means 500 is to be payable. 500 is to be payable. This is hidden adjustment. You need to be very careful. Okay. So this is about interest on loan. 2,000 is the loss. So paid 1,500. Payable 500. Next, provision for debtors. This is loss. Loss comes in the P&L account debit side, and balance sheet deduct from the debtors. Outstanding wages and salaries. This is to be added into the trading account debit side. Clear? We'll work out the problem now. So first we'll start with opening stock. To opening stock, it is here 36,000. Then we'll take 2 purchases inner column because there are purchase returns. Purchases 2,75,200 minus purchase returns 9,000. See the calculations later. By sales 5,20,300 minus returns 15,100 minus sales returns, and closing stock. Closing stock is 40,000. We'll see the direct expenses, carriage outwards, indirect wages and salaries. So there is an adjustment, so we'll write it in the inner column, wages and salaries, 58,600. What is that? Outstanding means payable. Will add outstanding wages and salaries, 500. 59,100. Next, any other direct expenses? That's all. So we'll close this. We'll use the calculator. First sales will close this, 5,20,300 minus 15,100. It is 5,05,200. 5,05,200 plus 40,000 comes to 5,45,200. 5,45,200. Now we'll see this purchases minus purchase returns. 2,75,200. Oh, sorry. 2,75,200 minus 9,000 comes to 2,66,200. Now what we'll do? This amount minus this, 5,45,200 minus 36,000 minus 2,66,200, 2,66,200 minus 59,100. 1,83,900 we are getting. 1,83,900. This is gross profit by GP to GP. 1,83,900. So this is 5,45,200. GP we got it. Now P&L account. For P&L account we'll see the transactions. Carriage outwards, we'll take it here to carriage outwards. Carriage outwards 12,400. Next, wages and salaries over, discount 2,200. Rent credit side, so we'll write it on the credit side because it's income. Rent is 13,000. Then insurance, legal fee, both are indirect expenses. Insurance is 2,000, legal fee is 1,200. Insurance and legal fee. Next, what else we can take? Printing and stationery, 5,500. Printing and stationery. Next, commission credit side means it's income. So credit side will write by commission 1,000. Simple funda, remember. Trial balance, debit side items, debit side only. Credit side items, credit side. That's all. Now opening stock is over bank. Now bank loan. Interest on bank loan is 1,500 paid. Actually it is 2,000. Out of 2,000 we have paid 1,500. So how we can show this adjustment is to bank interest on loan. Inner column will write 1,500. 1,500 is paid, but total 2,000. Out of 12,000, sorry, out of 2,000, 1,500 paid. Still payable 500. That will write. Add outstanding interest. 2,000. Are you getting it? So already paid, now payable is 500. Next interest and drawings, that's all over. Now up to trial balance we have taken everything. Now coming to the adjustments, closing stock, depreciation on fixed assets. So this we can take it onto the debit side, depreciation on fixed assets. Depreciation on fixed assets. Fixed assets, where is fixed assets? It's here. So 3 lakh into 15%. 45,000 it is. $45,000 interest on bank loan already we have taken. Provision for debtors 5%. Provision for debtors. Debtors are here. It's 11,000. 1,10,000 into 5%. 1,10,000 into 5%. 5,500. 5,500. Next, outstanding wages salaries already taken. That's it, over. Now we'll close this. Total, if you see, 1,83,900 plus 14,000. It is 1,97,900. 1,97,900. Next one, now out of this we'll deduct all the debit side items. 1,97,900 minus 12,400 minus 2,200 means 4,400, 5,400. Yes, 5,400 minus 5,500 minus 46 means 2 plus 2, 47,000 minus 5,500. It is coming to 1,22,100. So this is, I'll use another pen, 1,22,100. To net profit 1,22,100. So now we got the net profit. You can just take a screenshot or note down. Now I'll rub everything. We'll note down the important information. What is needed for us? One is net profit. Where should I write? I'll write here only. Net profit is 1,22,100. And also calculations like interest on loan. Oh, no, sorry, no, it's not required. Depreciation on fixed assets 45,000. Then provision for debtors 5,500. Only this information is read. The rest of the problem we can work out. So I'll wrap this. Interesting? Are you finding it interesting now? It's good. Final accounts or accounts, any chapter, if you take it, if you understand the concept, there is nothing is tough. Now we'll work out the balance sheet. First we'll write cash in hand, cash at bank. It's here. Cash in hand 12,800. Cash at bank 26,800. And cash at bank. And rest of the transaction as per the sequence will take. This is over. What comes? Insurance, legal fee, debtors and creditors. Debtors, there is an adjustment, I think, provision for debtors. So we'll take that. Inner column debtors. Debtors are 1,10,000. provision for debtors, how much it was? 45,000. Sorry, it is 5,500 minus provision for debtors. Debtors are over. Creditors 62,100. Creditors are over. Now bills receivable, bills payable. Bills receivable is asset, bills payable is liability. Bills receivable it is 3,300. Bills payable 2,200. Next, what else we can write? Cash in hand, cash at bank taken. Bank loan. Bank loan is total 20,000. Bank loan. There is an interest on bank loan, that also we have to consider. So bank loan is 20,000. Inner column. Add outstanding loan. It is 2,000. So 22,000. Next, interest on loan is over. Capital is 2,50,000. Inner column always. Capital 2,50,000. Drawings also there. Drawings is to be deducted. Minus drawings. Drawings are 15,000. And net profit we got is 1,22,100. This is to be added. Add net profit 1,22,100. So we'll do the calculation later. Capital is over, drawings are over. Now fixed assets. Fixed assets are 3 lakh. Inner column, because there is depreciation. Depreciation was 45,000 minus depreciation. So this is 2,55,000. This is over everything. Now coming to the adjustments, closing stock, it comes here. Closing stock 40,000. Depreciation, we have taken interest on bank loan, taken provision for debtors also taken. Outstanding wages and salaries is a liability. So outstanding wages and salaries, it is 500. Think it's over. We'll close the account. First we'll see the asset side. 1,10,000 minus 5,500 comes to 1,04,500. We'll add everything. Add 12,800 plus 26,800 plus 3,300 plus 2,55,000 plus 40,000 comes to 4,42,400. 4,42,400. Also we'll see this one also. First one, capital, we'll see inner calculation. 2,50,000 plus 2,50,000 plus net profit 1,22,100 minus 15,000. This is 3,57,100. Now we'll total up everything. 3,57,100 plus 62,100 plus 2,200 plus 22,000 plus 500. 4,43,900. 43,900. If it is taken 500 only, then it will. We made a mistake. That is here 2,000. It is bank interest. So we have taken bank interest outstanding 2,000. It's not 2,000. It is only 500 because if you calculate 2,000, it is total 2,000. It's coming out of 2,000. 1,500 is already paid. Now payable is 500 only. So by mistake I have written 2,000 here. 500 only it is. So 20,500. Now if you check it, we'll get it exactly. See, 400 is calculation 2 and 2 9 it is 4. So plus 1 4. So we are getting 2,42,400. So this was a small mistake we have done. So problem was not tallying. See, interest 10%. 10% it comes to 2,000. Out of 2,000, 1,500 paid. Why we have taken 2,000? It was mistake, right? So be careful. When you keep on talking to yourself, like interest is 10%, 2,000, out of 2,000, 1,500 paid. Now payable is 500 only. So I'll write 500. Now where's the mistake? The problem was not telling. So there's a mistake. Like you keep on talking to yourself while working the problem. So that will give you a solution that where you have made a mistake. Each and every calculation you must be very careful. Please note down this or take a screenshot. Hope I am clear with this problem. In this problem, the main content you have to remember is everything is clear. Depreciation, closing stock, interest on only this one you have to be very careful. And provision for debtors. Provision for debtors is always loss, debit side of P&L account and balance sheet deduct from the debtors. Simple. And coming classes will work out some more problems, will focus so that you will become perfect and thorough. Need not to go to any tuition. In your class, if you are not understanding, need not to worry. I am here to take care. So please go to the description box or playlist. Different subjects, different topics are there. Many people are still asking that, Madam, my syllabus is this. Have you covered this? Don't ask me. You take out your syllabus and check out with the playlist what subjects I have covered. If it is matching, go and prepare. That's it, simple. So stay connected with me. Do refer this channel to many students who are struggling, learning, want to learn a lot, want to come up in their career. Please help them. Take care. Good luck.